So ladies and gentlemen, if you are in Abilene and you want to rent or buy or lease a car for either Uber or Lyft, please give me a call. I can give you a lot of input on this one, okay? Having driven all the categories, having driven in many cities, you got to be realistic here, what hours you can put in, what your expectations are. So I will gladly guide you in the right direction, whether you should lease or buy, and make some really good suggestions. I highly suggest you stay away from these hourly rentals. You will just not be making money. But there are other great solutions to start climbing the ladder. I started off in UberX right at the bottom, and now own a fleet of different cars in the SUV and luxury division. So I will show you how it's done, share that knowledge with you. Text or email me. I have a link underneath this video where you can join. I will also offer you another hour of mentoring and training, and I will really help you make the right decision as far as the lease or buy option. Thank you.